I hope you're ready to maximize your productivity and conquer your to-do list like a boss. And if you love checklists and free things, be sure to stick around to the end. I'm about to reveal my top tips to boost productivity and streamline your workday. You're about to learn some insider secrets that will help you achieve more, maximize your efficiency, and propel you to success on your entrepreneurial journey. So say goodbye to overwhelm and say hello to a new level of productivity and success. As entrepreneurs, we know the challenges that come with juggling not only the work-life balance, but also that endless list of to-dos. And that's exactly why I've put together a powerhouse of tips and strategies to supercharge your productivity game. So grab a pen and paper because I'm about to spill the beans and share the secrets that will take your online business to new heights. If you've read my recent blog in my Cracking the Code series about maximizing productivity, consider this an extension of that knowledge. And if you haven't, be sure to finish watching this video and then head over to my website, and I'll link the blog and website in the comments below. So, before we dive into the strategies, let's get on the same page about what productivity truly means. At its core, productivity is the art of getting things done efficiently, effectively, and with purpose. It's not just about working harder or cramming more tasks into the day. Productivity is a strategic approach that allows you to achieve more in less time, which ultimately frees you up to pursue other passions as well as to enjoy a balanced lifestyle. And I think we all strive for a balanced lifestyle. By maximizing your output while minimizing wasted time and effort, productivity helps you make the most of your resources. And just to clarify something, productivity and efficiency are often used interchangeably, but they have different meanings. Efficiency is performing a task with minimum wasted resources, like energy or money. It's about doing things in the most streamlined way possible, whereas productivity takes efficiency a step further. So it's not just about doing things quickly, but doing things that bring value and have a meaningful impact. Productivity involves prioritizing tasks that contribute to your goals and generate meaningful results. So in a nutshell, productivity is the art of getting things done efficiently, effectively, and with purpose. Okay. So now that we've cleared that up, let's figure out ways to increase your productivity. So I'm going to go over what I feel are the top 8 steps or strategies. So step 1, set clear goals. Define short-term and long-term goals, breaking them into actionable steps. So create a plan that can step-by-step get you to your goals. Step 2, prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and tackle that first. Knowing what matters and what doesn't is key to having a successful business. And step 3, plan everything. Write down important events and dates as soon as you know them. By planning your week around the non-negotiables, you can stay organized and on track. Number 4, use your time wisely. Time management skills like the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to stay focused and avoid distraction. If you haven't heard of the Pomodoro technique, it involves focused work for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and then take a longer break. Whereas time blocking involves dedicating a specific time block for different tasks. And step 5, eliminate procrastination. Understanding your triggers for procrastination and developing strategies to overcome them is very important. And many times we put off the bigger or more complicated project, or maybe we put off what just isn't fun. So take those bigger, overwhelming tasks or projects and break them into smaller, more manageable chunks. Focus on one task at a time for best results. And I mention this because multitasking often decreases productivity. It's better to focus on one thing and give it your 100% instead of trying to do 5 things and only giving them 20%. By focusing on one task at a time, you will do a better job and you'll feel less overwhelmed in the entire process. Step 6, automate and delegate. Identify tasks that can be automated or delegated to save time and energy. Utilize tools and software to streamline repetitive processes, such as like social media scheduling. My general rule of thumb is if you've touched the same task or taught the same thing, maybe to like a new team member or new recruits more than twice, then you need to automate that because this frees up your time for more important tasks. Step 7, maintain a positive mindset. I talk about mindset all the time, and it's because it's a huge factor in getting to where you want to go. Having a positive attitude can help you work efficiently, especially when tackling things that are challenging. Stay positive and determined, as this will increase your chances of completing your work effectively. And step 8, continued learning and self-development. Embrace a growth mindset and dedicate time to learning new skills and knowledge. Stay updated on trends, attend webinars, conferences, read books, enroll in online courses that are relevant. Investing in your personal and professional growth will streamline processes, improve efficiency, and boost your productivity. By following these strategies, you can definitely improve your productivity. Okay, so now it's time to share some of those top tips that many successful entrepreneurs use, and these are the top 6. Tip 1, create a dedicated workspace. Designate a specific area in your home away from distractions, and if possible, take advantage of natural light. A productive environment can positively impact your mood and productivity. Tip 2, establish a routine. Set a consistent schedule for work, breaks, and personal time. Customize your routine based on the strategies we just talked about. Tip 3, have office hours. Yes, I know you're thinking I work from home or from anywhere that there's Wi-Fi, but setting office hours means having boundaries and clearly communicating your availability to family, friends, and your team. It's essential to have a work-life balance and to avoid burnout. Establish specific hours during which you'll be available for phone or by email. Maintaining clear boundaries between your personal and professional life is crucial. Tip 4, take regular breaks. Incorporate short breaks throughout your day to stretch, walk around, or do yoga. Do some meditation. These breaks will help rejuvenate you and will improve your focus and boost your productivity. Tip 5, get and stay organized. This is a big one. Utilize online tools that save time and help you stay organized. Things like Evernote or Google Docs can help you capture and organize your thoughts and tasks and keep them all in one place. And project management tools like Trello can help you in your planning and organizing to keep your projects organized in one place. Just think of all the time you'll save not searching around for lost papers and documents and sticky notes. And tip 6, implement time management techniques. Yes, I mentioned this before. It deserves being repeated. Enhance your focus and productivity by using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. I just explained that, where you work for 25 minutes and then you take a short 5-minute break and repeat. Or another method is called eat the frog method. And I know it sounds kind of gross. Obviously, we're not eating a frog, but it's where you tackle your most challenging task first to avoid procrastination. So get it done early in the day and get it off your plate so that you can focus on other things that need your attention. So these are some really great tips, and I implement most, if not all of them, to maximize my productivity and to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Maximizing productivity, especially as an online entrepreneur, is a much needed and often overlooked process. So you need to figure out what works well for you and your situation and then implement that strategy. Having clear goals and priorities and time management skills, you are setting yourself up to have a business that you're going to enjoy instead of being a slave to it. And setting those boundaries and office hours will ultimately make everyone in your life, both personal and professional, happier. Remember, productivity is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with the right mindset, habits, and tools, you can conquer all that you have to do in your online business with maximum efficiency while maintaining a harmonious work-life balance. And I had mentioned this at the beginning, and if you love checklists and want to supercharge your productivity, then head over to my blog, I'll link it in the comments below, to get my free daily productivity planner that I created and that I use every day. And if you found value in this content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with any fellow entrepreneurs who could benefit from these productivity tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay productive, stay inspired, never stop dreaming. You got this.